Europe through the usage of the high seas. What I usually say is that for any parent or for any individual, before you think of going to Europe, you must establish, or your daughter, the process that individuals is about to take to get to Europe. We all know going to Europe is you need to have legal document, and people must be on record. I must be on record to say that government have not in any way or the other attempted to deny people traveling outside the Gambia illegally. That must be put on record. But what government is doing is to be responsible to the people. That is, if government is aware or seen a number of people attempting to travel to Europe through the use of seas by canoes, it's government responsibility to ensure that those people will not travel in their own interest, that is in saving their own life. When you want to travel to Europe through the sea, you risk two things. One, you will be devoured by mighty creatures in the high seas, the Atlantic oceans, either through stormy weather, or your boat will run out of food, or the boat will capsize as a result of powerful creatures. And the other is, upon your arrival at either the Canary Islands or to any destinations in Europe, first things that should happen to you is you are detained and you put on the detention camp, and there anything can happen to you. We've seen most people, if you are lucky, only to be deported, then you are lucky. But you could be put in jail and incommunicado, and those detention centers, you all know the inhuman treatment that young people undergo. But in short, the experts are here. The Operation No Back Way to Europe is an organization that has been complementing government effort in that drive, and they need to be commended for that. We also need to commend the Gambia Immigration Department, because we have seen them going through to the general public to sensitize them the importance of people being aware of the dangers associated with illegal migration, or irregular migrations as the immigration put it. Also, they have highlighted government commitments towards ensuring that they cope illegal migrations. Tijan.
Well, thank you very much, Honorable Sidin Jai, Honorable Babu Gay Sonko. Ngalom bin nakachaketa minti wolom ikamim for Operation Backway. Wolom molmini alon nako wolle katani bala nyinkama drong ilafto ka futa tubabu du. Bin nakachabe twinkunding wolla sa indrong sebula programo nying edunga kon.
Ya baraka tiyan. Abaraka tiyan bi kacha mu kacha kuma baleti. Ba onka bunda mu kacha kita mo be ya sula kuleti. Akita mo be la mira kuti. Kita mo be la kata kuti kaje ko wo bunda ba ning fonding kel ba kacha la nyadile mun sat na mbese jirnya kilimo jala. Niko Operation No Back Way se organisation ya imbe tentula nanko Mr. Jabia nyaton kaya Gambia Immigration Department ila lo bunda nyin koto e simfanya kende balletaje man sakundala kangokan bawo niko irregular migration mbenga wolen fonde molmon kabujang kata banku doto ti mantanin silola dun jama ton ka fole e ka fole kata tuba bankol lekan du kata sira fulalla ne mum mantanin bala wasitanin santola duma silo ngajube nyin sila fulo kolya kuju man le biji na fulo jole ka dépense mo jelle ka foy ni yola nyin sila fulo kan bawo apata nyawonya ni bita nyin koma silo la ise kodo la nyokan dol bafla wultan saba dol bafla wultan nani ibita ibole jola modoya mo yalam ka tete la tafon garantino la nin kulunte la bafle go be kulungo le jola wulitan nani bari fodi fodi no tuba wudo mo garantino har bawo nin kulungo wudo jena be futala mbe kala silo kate mola do nyi wucunni mo kono ni ya jube fondin ke jelle ni tuta ko family dol bi jala tawol tumbunale na fulo jelle ka kasara ni e jolle ka kasara aka kolya ko na fe mo jolle kan ba e kanum te na bote bala bi ako en kana duma siro la tunta kunu kon je na be futale te ni e la bi kasino because haklo kata mun kan wala nyin asekeno anyima te futala so ninga mol soro bi mul bina kan kacandi wala o mu nyanda ko komanto some few months ago ye funding ke dol mute sama nung tanje nte tare jere ning sidi aning per honorable sidi ning per bari kabi o funding kel je wol dol kono me chongu mbol bulu aning kata ko mum bol la nyim banko kan ngelo nya nyami ni wol to ja wallahi ba meglale bari tata ida silo manna bula na fulo be kasat dun jama do kela alfal bula julole kono mfa lafta ye kodo don tonne wuli tandan don tonne je nin karsa ba mbe iba sen la no marila ab fa bata ko da kay do style la bang fa bala ni sole wa fi la bang fa bala fenkende bale tala ay dun julo kono ite mun tata ning manta mambe ite futal ning manta be defa ni futal ci de mu faja wala min diko ata ko ni futal ke sama kasole kono wala tara kampu kono mu yalan ko kari woro wala sey molbe tuwa wudu sanji tanni luli sanji mo ngi man kayto so no ede tanen ko masilo le dum awe ko le alale so ni na ning santo le fanala kulungo tala santo fa ni na je sai afrika banko juma e tenkunding gambia ko la ni bodo ye ga fude ke kulo banko mu folo kan fitno le bije rix jelle boto pour gadwi ko ite bun kata ko masilo la febe futala dum fonding kellem banko la yakaroti fonding kellem banko semboti fonding kellem banko la somati ningol fana be ko be bola jay kata dabi meta dulalo be tadam febe futala febe kututela je bay malo ningol koy be talala im banko ka be kala molbe ni sula kulete so bawo molbi jane mule londo so ta koto be wandi fonni kel be dani na be alfal be dani la kacha mun kana ke jam bimbe sala moy bakene hakilola mbe sela sid lokko mo kam be mol fana tentula mul yalan koy nyin kacha fulandi bake bawo mol kan kole all over kabin jam fo base dulalto ka fanno ko alla nyin ala yirwandi faade futam bela woto mol fana jeyla be tentula kala mun do non bi jang ani operation bago ni la mol mbal konto na mba fala bismillah kata mal tolle tati bi ala baraka
baraka bake honorable Babou Gueye Sonko badingal butung be amoy le honorable mimfo père ñu ngi la dalal ci Bantaba programme bi tay nak suñ waxtaan ci gàttal rek mooy lu nge ooyee backway tey nag waxtaan bi yëpp ci loolu rek lañ ko bëggoon a tënk léegi ñu bàyyi la yow itam nga nuyoo dem nga wax ñu sa kàddu ci biir programme bi.
jërëjëf asalaamaaleykum mbooloo mi ñoo seetaan waxtu bi maa ngi laa nuyu di nuyu suma collègue si ñi nga xam ne maa ñoo ma fi dee nekk Sidi Ndiaye honorable Babou Gueye di nuyu waa GRTS yëpp management